eBay photos with white backgrounds. Have you ever struggled to get your pictures to look amazing when you're trying to list your items for sale on eBay? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you what I use. And I have to tell you, I don't use eBay's app to do this part of what I'm going to reveal in this video. Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm with Paladin Global Market. I am an online full-time reseller. I've been doing this for over 18 years. I absolutely love it. So in this video, I'm going to take you on a quick screen share and show you exactly what I use to make my white backgrounds of my pictures stand out, and it makes it look crisp and clear. I have found that through eBay's mobile app, unfortunately, although it does have that feature, it doesn't do a really good job. I hate to say it, unless it's a straight lined item. But if you have, like if you're selling a plush doll or anything with fuzzy edges or anything, it hasn't been able to make the edges look crisp and clean. It like cuts things off or shows blur in the background. So I'm going to show you what I use for my own listings, and I hope it's going to help you as well. I'm going to take on a quick screen share, and then make sure that you check out the video after this one, because it's going to show you a secret hack that I use for my eBay iPhone pictures that's going to really help speed up your process, because you want your items to look great, but you also want to get through your listings quickly so you can get on with your day. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so now we're in our iPhone in the eBay's mobile app, and we're going to create a listing. So let's just say I have Canon camera, search. All right, we want to list one of those. Okay, and this is just showing us options. So we're going to hit down here at the bottom, continue without match. Let's say this is a used camera. And then we come up to the screen where it's going to start asking us to import or input the pictures. So you see here where it has the blue plus. What I do is, you like the way I spelled camera there? Let's fix that, even though this is just an example. So what I do is I don't take the pictures directly inside my eBay app. Now there are different schools of thought regarding this, but for me, I really like my pictures to look amazing. And for this video, I'm going to show you how I do that. So first of all, what I do is I usually, and this is using an Apple iPhone iOS device, but I just take the actual picture. So let's just say cheese. Okay, so we took the picture of the item. So before I upload it into eBay, I'm going to go here to eBay's photo, or not eBay, but Photo Room is the app. You see that first one there? I hit that. Once I've entered that, so usually because I've taken 12 pictures or up to 12 pictures of the item, I would hit that batch. But because for sake of this example, we're just doing a single photo, so I'm going to hit start from photo. We hit that button there. Okay, so now it is, okay, so now it's scanning the photo. See how it it clearly, you like that, crispy? It clearly cut the edges of this item. So I'm going to hit confirm. Once I've done that, I'm actually going to scroll down here and I'm going to find eBay. This is the marketplace that I wanted to have this photo for. Because it's on eBay, it's going to make it into a square size. Once I have that selected, then I just hit this and I'll save it. Now that I've saved that, now I'm going to go back into eBay and I'm going to hit that blue plus sign, and I'm going to see the difference between that first one and the second one. I'm going to hit that second one and then I'll upload it, and voila. Now let me show you how you can do this if you're batching pictures. So let's just say we're going to go back and we're going to take a couple pictures. That's one, that's two. All right, now we're going to go back into Photo Room. And we're going to do a batch feature, which is, like I said, what I primarily use. See here at the bottom, batch, I'm going to hit that once, and I'm going to start my batch. Now I'm going to hit 1, 2. Now this second one with the keyboard is not going to be a good example, and you'll see why in a minute, because it's trying to cut out the background, you see there? So if I ever have an item, and this typically will happen if I have items like shoes, when I'm taking the pictures of the tag or the size of the shoe, and you don't see any edges outside of the item, then I don't upload that into the Photo Room app. So instead, let's go find another picture. So I'm going to hit another batch. So you see some shoes. Here we go. Okay, so now that we're in the Photo Room app, we're just going to pretend that I just took these pictures. I actually took them yesterday. So you see the difference between the Rockports up here and the Rockports down here. You see how gray, even though I have very nice camera, I have really great lighting and different soft boxes in my ring light, which I love this new ring light I just got. I'll have links in the description below if you're looking for more equipment, but for sake of this example, let's just use some of the products that I took pictures of yesterday to list on eBay. So for these, we're just going to hit, because we're going to do the batch feature, we're just going to hit these. Now, you see right here where it has the shoe tag. I'm not going to upload that because all of the edges of that picture, there's no white anyways. So if I try to upload it into the Photo Room app, it's going to get confused. For sake of this example, so you can see what I'm talking about, I'll upload it now. Otherwise, what I do with my listings is that the size tongue of a shoe, for example, I just upload that one without running it through the Photo Room app. But for sake of this example, I'll show you what it'll do. So we've selected those. I'm going to hit add. It's importing it to the batch feature. Now, while it's doing this spinning, I'll pull up from here on the bottom and you see where it says eBay. I'm going to click that, and what that's going to do is going to resize the picture so that it's for the eBay's platform. eBay, although when we take our pictures on our iPhones, I believe it's, what is it, 4, I'll have to look up the size. It's not a square, it's the long vertical. So eBay likes them to be square. So because of that, we want to make sure we're telling Photo Room while it's getting the background to make it look white, that it's going to be uploaded to the eBay platform. Therefore, it will give us a square format, which is going to save you as well later on. Now, make sure you check out the other video after this one. I'm going to show you a quick trick that you can use in your iPhone that will help you when you're taking your pictures ahead of time, even if you don't use Photo Room. You're not going to want to miss that one. Okay, so now this is done. It's circled through all the listings. You see down here, see what it did with the one with the tongue of the shoe where it shows the size. It doesn't know that there's no white background, so it took out parts of the actual shoe. So that's why I would never do that for that particular example. But look how white and crisp these backgrounds are. Isn't that crazy? I love it. So I hit export 9 images, and then I'm going to save that, and that's going to save it onto my phone as a new picture. Once I do that, now I'm going to go into my eBay app, and I'm going to pull it in. So I'm going to take this one out. We'll delete that. Okay, so now I'm going to just pull in, and I know for sake of this example, I had it listed for a Canon camera. Just flow with me here. Okay, so these are Rockport shoes. All right, so I'm going to enter all these, and I can actually, sometimes you can slide it, but I guess I couldn't multi-select. All right, so because this one made it kind of funky, I'm not going to do that tongue one from there. We'll scroll up, and I'll find the one, the original one. There we go. Upload. Give it a moment. You don't want to cancel out of this until all of the boxes of your pictures are done spinning, because if you do, it's not going to pull that one particular picture that got cut off early. It won't pull it into your listing. So once that's done, we hit done, and then we can continue with our listing. The next thing, if you have an Apple iPhone device or an iOS device, you're going to want to make sure you check out this video where I go over exactly how you can change your settings just a bit to save you so much time, so you don't have to crop things for every picture. I mean, think about it. When we're doing our listings, if we use up to 12 photos, and now eBay's increased, I think it's up to 24 now, you can put into a listing. If you use this little trick I'm going to show you in this next video, it's going to save you so much time by already setting the settings for you, so you can just upload it right away. I'll see you in the next video. Happy reselling, guys. Bye-bye.